particular topic in examination, a numerical is generally asked for 6 marks or maximum 10 marks. Okay. Principal stresses. The topic is principal stresses. What the figure shows, this is our usual system. A rod, I can take it as a rod, which is subjected to tensile force. So because of tensile force, there will be tensile stress. Value of this tensile stress will be given by force upon area. Okay, so stress will act on the member. Now, in this figure you see, instead of taking stress on this particular plane, how is this plane with respect to direction of the force? Perpendicular. This plane is perpendicular to direction x. Now what I am doing, I am just taking a plane which is at certain angle with this axis. Okay, so this is a plane which is at certain angle with this normal plane or with this axis of x. Okay, so now the only this much part is shown here. So again, in this case, it is observed that there will be a stress which is perpendicular to this plane. ये stress कैसी इस plane को? इस plane को ये stress perpendicular है. Okay, now here also there will be stress which is at right angles to the plane. Okay, so whenever you take such a plane with force acting in this direction, it will be observed that on the plane there will be two different stresses. One is perpendicular to the plane and other one is parallel to the plane. Okay, because of what? Because now we are taking a plane. Such a plane is called as oblique plane. Oblique means at certain angle. Oblique का मतलब है at certain angle. So this is a plane which is at certain angle with, what is that angle? That angle is theta. So when you take a plane at angle theta with the normal direction, it is observed that there will be now two stresses. यहाँ पर कितना stress है? यहाँ पर एक ही stress है. But in this case there will be two stresses. दो कैसे? एक perpendicular to the plane, other parallel to the plane or along the plane. Okay. The stress which is perpendicular to the plane is called as normal stress. The stress which is along the plane is called as shear stress. Okay, and they are given by these two equations. So normal stress is given by sigma x plus sigma y by 2 plus sigma x minus sigma y by 2 cos 2 theta plus tau xy sin 2 theta. Now here you find that there are two more terms here. Which are they? Sigma y and tau xy. Now what are these two new values? Actually, these are applicable for biaxial system. Sigma x, sigma y. Whenever there are two types of stresses acting, that system is called as which system? Biaxial. This is called as uniaxial. One axis. One axis means uniaxial. When stresses act along two directions. Two कौन से दो directions यहाँ पे? Sigma x. Other direction is sigma y. And there will be stress like this. You can draw this figure also. So whenever stresses act on two planes, that system is called as biaxial stress system. Okay, and whenever stresses act on three planes, that is called as triaxial stress system. We will restrict our discussion only to biaxial system. So whenever stresses are acting on two different planes, normal stress is given by this equation, shear stress is given by this equation. Okay, I hope you have written both the equations. We are also introducing one more term. You draw this figure and below that you write these two formulae. Next term, angle of obliquity. It is shown already in the figure. What is angle of obliquity? Write down. It is angle made by resultant stress with the normal stress. It is this angle. This is normal stress. This is resultant stress. Okay. Also, but how to get that angle? So phi is equal to tan inverse of shear stress upon normal stress. Okay, if you consider this triangle, right angle triangle, you can take tan phi. Tan phi will be tau upon sigma n. Yes or no? You consider this right angle triangle. Okay, this is angle phi. This is tau, means this is also tau. This is sigma n. If you take tan, this is right angle. Okay, so tan phi is equal to shear stress upon normal stress. Therefore, phi is equal to tan inverse of that. Okay, next line. Resultant stress. Resultant stress is given by, this is resultant is sigma r. Sigma r is equal to under root sigma n square plus tau square. Tau मतलब shear stress, sigma n मतलब which stress? This is normal stress, this is shear stress, and this is resultant stress. And phi is angle made by resultant stress with normal stress. Angle made by resultant stress with normal stress. दोनों के बीच का एंगल है phi, which is called as angle of obliquity.